Okay. I think that only thing you've done wrong, I think you have the right idea about Celsius and kelvins. I think the only thing you've done wrong here is very simple. It says round off your answer to a whole number. I think that's all you're doing wrong here. It wants whole numbers. So that means I can't read your 693, right? And 67 and 273. Check if those whole numbers work. Yeah, that's what it says. Whole numbers. So check if those work. All right. Let's move on. Package is dropped. You've got a 0. Package dropped in a helicopter and travels 6 seconds before it hits the ground. How far does it fall? X equals 1/2 AT squared. X equals 1/2 of 9.8 times 6 squared. Did you do that? Is the question. So I don't know what you did, but that doesn't equal that. A boulder falls off a cliff 12 meters high. How long does it take to hit the ground? T equals the square root of 2 times the height divided by 2x over a divided by acceleration. So yeah, I don't know what you're doing there, but those are the equations. So give those a try, see if that helps. And then finally on this one, how much work did it take to get to the top of the ramp? Well, work actually, in this case, the work that you do to get to the top of the ramp is going to be equal to the gravitational potential energy you gain. So how much gravitational potential energy will you gain? You will gain mgh, because that's what gravitational potential energy is. It's mass times gravity times height. And so the work that you will do will be equal to the mass of 0.5 kilograms times 9.8 times a height of 0.3 meters. And W equals, I can't remember what that is, 1.47? I think it's 1.47 joules. What did you put? You put 0.625. I don't know where you got that. Okay. And so when you go beyond that, the average force is going to be force times distance is equal to work, right? And since work is equal to W is equal to GPE, then we can say that force times distance equals 1.47, and the force is the question. The distance in this case is 1.25, or whatever the length of the ramp is going to be. All right, divide each side by 1.25. And you will get your average force measured in newtons. So yeah, hopefully that helps you solve these things, and let me know if you have any other questions.